Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will delve into the details of Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, and we are here to bring you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to overlook any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI to receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies globally today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of August in 2024, our system has categorized Palantir as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of nearly 30% since we initially recommended purchasing Palantir 32 days ago. This equates to an average return of approximately 1% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 implies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the next trading day. In light of the recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next movement, as it may fluctuate in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even more robust rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the level of $36.20, a point that could present a second opportunity for substantial gains. According to fan theory, $42.47 may become the next potential peak, serving as a resistance level that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 42.70% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 12.56% and 36.13%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests an 82.90% change over the next year, with potential returns between 31.57% and 69.67%. This translates to a price range between $49.93 and $64.39 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Palantir stock price up 2.02% on Monday. The Palantir stock price gained 2.02% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024. It rose from $37.20 to $37.95. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.43%, reaching a low of $36.57 and a high of $38.19. Notably, the price has increased in 9 of the last 10 days, and it is up by 9.68% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 16 million shares, with a total of 75 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.86 billion. It is important to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $38.19, while the lowest was $13.82. Currently, the price is 0.63%, or 240 cents, below the 52-week high and 15.67%, or $7.05, below the all-time high reached on January 27, 2021, when the price peaked at $45. Palantir Technologies Incorporated celebrated a significant milestone today as it joined the S&P 500 during the index's quarterly rebalancing. This inclusion is expected to drive short-term investor interest, potentially boosting demand for Palantir shares as portfolio managers adjust to this change. Historically, stocks that join the S&P 500 have experienced price appreciation in the immediate aftermath, benefiting from increased visibility and liquidity. However, the day also brought a mixed bag of news. While Palantir's shares rose, analysts from Raymond James issued cautious notes, expressing concerns about the company's valuation following its strong performance compared to the broader market. Although there was an initial uptick in stock price due to the S&P announcement, these downgrades could temper long-term growth expectations. Further complicating the narrative, Chief Executive Officer Alex Karp's contentious relationship with Wall Street raises questions about investor sentiment moving forward. His criticisms of traditional financial metrics may affect how traders respond to earnings and other indicators. While the immediate impact from S&P inclusion could lead to positive momentum, the short and long-term outlook will closely hinge on analysts' revised assessments and broader market conditions. Investors should remain vigilant as they navigate this evolving landscape for Palantir Technologies. Analyst ratings. On the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Raymond James assigned PLTR a market perform grade and issued a downgrade action. On the 16th of September, 2024, it was shared that Bank of America Securities gave PLTR a buy grade and recommended a hold action. On the 12th of September, 2024, it was communicated that Citigroup assigned PLTR a neutral grade along with a hold action. On the 7th of August, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital rated PLTR as underperform and advised a hold action. On the same day, August 7th, 2024, it was also noted that Wedbush gave PLTR a buy grade while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Palantir stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of market corrections, there will be some support at the levels of $36.67 and $32.10. A drop below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was activated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 57.53%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite price increases, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 35 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 78 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 66 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $34.60 and $29.28. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Palantir finds support just below today's level at $34.60. If this support is broken, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $29.28 and $28.67. This stock may exhibit significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.62 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.43%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.75%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock might be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 9 cents. It's important to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $34.60. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of September 2024, Statler and Elena Friedman conducted an insider sale of 5,300 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Statler and Elena Friedman also conducted an insider sale of 700 shares of Class A common stock. On the 13th of September 2024, Karp Alexander C. conducted an insider sale of 246,502 shares of employee stock options. On the 16th of September 2024, Karp Alexander C. conducted an insider sale of 4,500,000 shares of employee stock options. On the 17th of September 2024, Karp Alexander C. conducted an insider sale of 4,253,498 shares of employee stock options. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 12.673. In total, insiders purchased 22,650,602 shares and sold 29,338,415 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $36.96, reflecting a decline of 2.62%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 periods, stands at 94, further amplifying this risk. A buying signal was identified from a pivotal bottom established 43 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir shows several positive indicators. However, we still do not deem these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At this level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting a strategy of holding or accumulating while awaiting further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of September, we anticipate that Palantir will open down 38 cents, starting trading at $37.57. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.